Hi everyone, I'm Herrick. Welcome to my new YouTube studio workshop. It's actually, as some of you may know, the bedroom, unfinished, on the addition on my house that I started 8 years ago. My previous video I said was 9 years ago. It was not 9, it was 8. I was 60 years old when we started this 24 by 24 addition on the house, and I'll be 68 this month. So I'm getting it done. I got to get it done. This is the last room. I've showed pictures in the past of the finished living room and the half bath, and I've got what we'd call a master bath right here. We got to do a little bit in that, but for the most part, I'm coming right down to the end here. Got to get it done because I feel this urgency. I'm 68. People, it seems all around me, they're people I know, my age, not that much older, younger, they're dying, they're getting very sick. And that's the whole reason for this addition, so that my wife and I have a downstairs bedroom and bathroom. The original house does not have that. We're going to get to the point where we can't go up and downstairs. Some days I feel like I could make it to 100. You know, I feel that good. It's like, I think I could live to 100. But then there's other days where I'm wondering if I'll make it much past 70, okay? And it's starting to be that the 70 days are gaining and the feeling like 100 days are declining. But that's beside the point. There's an urgency to get this done. And then I feel like I really need to have a workshop studio that I can make videos in, because part of the reason I don't make videos is I have no place to make the videos. I make some in my little tool room. It's only 8 foot wide with a bench and the tools on the wall. But that's really hard because it's just awkward. And my workshop, what used to be a woodworking workshop when I was in the trades, years ago I remodeled the whole thing and turned it into an office and a packing room and storage for my Planet Whiz-Bang business. And if you were to go in there today, you would see pallets stacked up with boxes full of thousands and thousands of poultry shrink bags. That's how I pay the bills around here. Poultryshrinkbags.com. Check it out sometime. If you need shrink bags, I'm your guy. Anyway, I'm thinking I gotta come up with, or I really want to. It's not like I gotta, it's not a necessity, but I really do want to get a workshop, a little studio-like workshop to make the YouTube videos. I'm thinking about size. I don't want to spend a lot of money. There are YouTubers who have amazing workshops, right? The dream workshops, big workshops with everything in them. And that's impressive. But those people have big channels, or I don't know what they have. Somehow they have the resources to be able to afford that. And I don't. This room right here is 12 foot wide, okay? And it's 11 foot 6 inches this way. It's not a big bedroom, but it's an adequate bedroom. If it were a little longer, like maybe 6 or 8 feet longer, it would be an adequate workshop for me. 12 foot by 20, that's what I'm thinking. And I'll have a workbench right here, have the camera right there, or right there. I'll have my lighting, I'll figure out the lighting. Lighting is such a mystery to me, trying to get it right. I really stress about it. The audio, I could get audio. I could have a place. Okay, and I could have my tools here. We wouldn't have windows, but I could have the tool wall. You know, my video that is quite popular about tool organization on a tool wall, that could be here. I could do a lot in the space of 12 by 20. So that's what I'm thinking. And I think I could heat it with a heater like this right here. This heater has for years served to heat my small tool room that I've shot some videos in. It is where I keep my 2 cats in the winter. And it's 8 feet by 24 feet. It heats it pretty nicely. And it does not use a lot of electricity. It's a remarkable little heater. And I think it would heat adequately enough in the winter with a well-insulated building, 12 by 20 foot, okay? So that's what I'm thinking there. That would take care of the heat, and dust won't bother that. It gets dust on it, but it still puts out the heat. That's my plan. And you know how my plans go? Sometimes they happen, sometimes they don't happen, and sometimes they happen after a long time, longer than you would expect. Like building an addition on my house 8 years later. If you have a lot of money, you can make things happen fast. If you don't, well, you can make them happen, but it just takes longer. That's been my experience. So anyway, while I'm in this space and experiencing this space and thinking about my future shop, I am going to finish, well, I did finish the flooring. This is my flooring. It's a vinyl plank flooring that locks together, a floating floor. It's a good quality flooring. We've had it in the living room out there in this addition for a couple of years, and we're very happy with it. I think the brand is H2O, and it comes in a wide and a narrow. You alternate the planks. At the end of this video, I'll show you the closet that I just finished. The rest of the room I did day before yesterday, and it's all covered so that I don't damage it while it's my workshop. So the next thing I need to do is the baseboard. I have my pine 1x8, which is what I use for the baseboard with a base cap on it. I'll probably do a video showing, the steps of how I do that. That window I've saved. I have to trim it out. I got to put extension jambs on it and trim it out, and I plan to show that too. There's a few videos I can do in this space while I have it before it has to be a bedroom. Now let me just say one thing more here while I'm on the subject, and that is that last year I reached 100,000 subscribers on this channel, and it's kind of a big deal for me. There's a lot of people who get 100,000 viewers on their channels, but for me to do that, I mean, I am not a sophisticated YouTuber. It's just me. I don't have someone shooting the film. I'm not a great talker, and I have to edit the videos. They're quite choppy. If you've watched, So amazingly, I did get 100,000 subscribers, and YouTube sent me this little plaque, this little award. It's kind of an attaboy. Okay, that's the way I look at it. It's an attaboy. Good going, Herrick. I've never really gotten any awards in my life that I can think of. I wasn't a high achiever in school. I wasn't into sports. I'm just a kind of a boring guy, but somehow I managed, and it's you people out there who helped me get it. I've still got things that I can teach. That's the objective here. The channel started out as a kind of a lifestyle channel. This Agrarian Life is what it was called. And then I realized that, well, that doesn't really help people, and not that many people are going to watch it. It's how-to things. I've been doing things, how-to things, my whole life, really. So I started doing that, and that seemed to resonate. The channel is now how to make things, how to fix things, how to build things, how to grow things with the garden, which isn't all that popular, but anything related to how to seems to be what is best for me with YouTube. Spring will be here, and maybe I can start that shop. Maybe not. We'll see how it goes, see what my energy, see if I'm feeling like I'm going to live to 100 or what. Thank you very much if you've been a watcher and you've given me those thumbs ups and you've made comments, positive comments, helpful comments. I appreciate those very much. Lord willing, we'll keep the ball rolling here, and we'll see what happens. It's been fun, and thanks a lot for coming along on the journey. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. So let me very quickly here pivot around. You can see I have this protective material ram board all over the floor here that I put in, and then here's what that flooring looks like. In the closet, I have a hatch down into my crawl space right here, and this is what I'm going to work on the rest of today. I have to build a frame around that and then get a good quality door. This has been the temporary hatch door down into the crawl space where I've made lots of videos in the past.